Good morning, Hornet family. My name is Carolina Waters, and I am a teacher at Oak Valley Middle School. We have noticed that some of our families, our parents, and also our students are having trouble accessing the information concerning the online learning plans of our teachers. And also, they have questions about where to find the nicknames that our teachers are using for the Google Meets that are happening on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So, my attempt here is to try to help you and figure that out together. Let's see, we all should have received this letter from Mr. Myers. I believe this happened on Monday. This letter was sent on Monday. And within that letter, there is a link. Let's go straight to it. Click once, and you see this folder. Let's go and click on it. And we have this information in front of us. What is this? We have the 6th grade core classes, 7th grade core classes, and 8th grade core classes, right? So this is how we start. We also have the electives. We also have the English language learners classes, essentials, student services, and the support classes. Let's say my student is an 8th grader and I want to start with the core classes, so I do this. Now we have social studies, math, ELA, and science. I would like to start perhaps with science. And here we have our science teachers, right? Now, my student was taking science with Mr. Snow, so I choose Mr. Snow, and it takes me to his learning plan. And it's going to take a second because there are a lot of people doing exactly the same thing right now. But here we go. We open. And right at the beginning, right at the top of the document, we have the information that we need, right? We have class, teacher, and the office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you keep on scrolling down, you're going to see the activities, right, that Mr. Snow has sent for your student. Let's go back here. Let's say my student was taking science with Mr. Snow 2nd hour. That means that Mr. Snow is going to be available to my student on Tuesdays from 10:30 to 11, and he's going to be using the nickname Snow2. Now, what do I do with the nickname? Very easy. I'm going to open here another tab. I need to go to meet.google.com, and I will have to type here the nickname provided by my teacher, right? Now, if we go back to Mr. Snow here, it is important that you remember that Mr. Snow is going to be available for that class on Tuesdays at that time. So if I'm trying to connect with Mr. Snow, it needs to be 10:30 and it needs to be Tuesday. If I insert the code right now, today is Wednesday and it is 11:48 a.m., so it's not going to work, right? That is important to take into account as well. So I'm going to go back to my folder here. Let's go back. That's science teachers. Go back. That's 8th grade. Go back. That is my first screen. Now, I'm going to give you one more example and we'll be done with this. Let's say my 8th grader is also taking electives, so I would have to go here. Notice that it's a completely different folder, and then find the class. Let's say it is Spanish. And there is only one teacher teaching Spanish, and that is precisely me. Oh, what a coincidence. And you find the same exact information, hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We have the times, we have the nicknames, and this is how we proceed here. I hope this information is helpful to you. Thank you for your attention.